ka jingja ka jingsya pyniap jubor ya ki khlung khynnah tang hakine ki khnet sngi bat banai badep kila jia shibun kila mi ru shibun ki jingtno badai ki menshono henrei na kaliang usar B6M USP ka es khasihel district ulapan pau ba ompat julap nedan satya kum kita ha ka jingpre jongu ha ka kam menta labun bun snem ha pau kren ha klat pathai khubor ha ka khlai trik oktober ha jaraksan uba B6M ulapan pau ba wala kadon ka jingkno khlor kane henrei ha balap mentapat ya ka jing shisha ba ki dei ki breu ki bale ya kane ka kam kadai bait namar ba ki kwa bandra bor bat bandawa pisa henrei ban shukono ba ki dei pat ki menshono te kam dei satya.
These were what with the case we have seen. Most of these mentioners actually are not true. Actually, they all because of enmity, of jealousy, and non-mentioners. This apprehension has always been there since it's in the folklore of the community. Usually, when we get to the truth or we get to the people who are involved in it, it's not because of that they want to drain out blood from a victim. It's usually vendetta, usually for ransom, which is usually for some reason. But I have never come across a case, at least in my service career, that person has been drained out of blood because he's a mentioner. I rule out. In fact, we have had so many cases of super mentioner, especially in the villages and that. And when we actually investigated, the root cause is different on this.